Hello everyone, we are Team Rasode Mein Kaun Tha, and we are here to present our app named CoAssist. Now, I'd like to share a story with you. Last week, I went out with my family to a place just to visit, and there we saw that the rules of social distancing were completely violated. There was CCTV cameras everywhere, people monitoring them, but no one had the courtesy or no one cared to tell the people to be 6 feet apart. The distance given set by the doctors and the government, which everyone should maintain, so that no one gets infected with the COVID-19 disease, which is taking so many lives now. We read about it every day. So this thing hurt me a lot and got me into worrying that what will happen if people continue to neglect this big issue. And that's why me and my friends have come up with a solution named CoAssist. This is a simple application which we have built, which does many functionalities which we like to show. We'll start with a simple Google login, which we have already done. And here, as you can see, we have given our users the option of four functionalities, from starting from contact tracing to visual planner, social listening tool, and self-report. Now I'll explain about each tool, what each one does. Self-distancing tool is one of the best things that we have made, which tells us that how far apart can a person be such that neither he or she nor us get infected with can spread the disease to another if the person is maintained, such that if we keep our phone in a way, we'll know there will be a green bubble surrounding us, which will state us that till this distance we are safe from anyone. If no one comes in that distance, we'll be safe. And if the screen turns red, that means that the distance is too close and we should move apart from that place. Otherwise, there is a high chance that we might get infected with it. Coming to a visual planner, we'll be showing the demo of all the things now. After I explain, visual planner is a tool which we have built, so which helps us. Now, visual planner is a tool which helps us to know that how many people we can fit in a room, so that everyone is 6 feet apart, and how we can fix the maximum number of people in a place. This will help us organize there how many people we can let inside a room and how we can sit or be seated in a room, so that maximum people can be inside a room. So I'll be showing the demo to you now. I'll just open the app.
Hello. So now I, Alankar Bhadwaj, will be explaining you about our product, like the actual implementation of a product. If you can see my screen over here, we have asked about the height of that user so that we can create a bubble around him and show him that he needs to be inside this bubble and the other people needs to be outside this if he want to be safe from COVID. First of all, I will be entering my height over here. That's 5'11". Finished. Okay. So if you can see right now, my screen is green. As soon as I turn it around and change the angle of my phone, you can see the color of my screen change to red. So that's the point. At the point at which my color changes from green to red is the point till where the other person needs to be outside, so that this person does not catch COVID from that person if he or she is having that. This is one of the functionality which we implemented. You can As you can see, other one is the visual planner. Over here, first we need to enter, we need to enter the size of the room in which the people are gonna be there. Suppose the length and the height of our room is gonna be this. I'll generate the room. Now, as you can see over here, it has created a blue map, like a blue map of the room in which we are gonna place all those individual. And if I click at one of these places, you will get to see that one person can be situated here, and this should be the around this should be the area under which the other person shouldn't come in. So this is the green bubble of that particular person. Uh, and the other person needs to be situated here. So if these two are not colliding, then there is very less chance for these two to get COVID from each other. With the help of this, we can plan accordingly how many people can be put into a room and therefore protect them from COVID. We have implemented 90% of our app. Another thing which we wanted to implement in our app uh, was for surveillance kind of a stuff. If you are going in a public place, for example, if you are going in a mall, and as a person you don't want to catch COVID and you want to take precautions as much as you can use this app. It will be showing you how far that particular person is from you. If he is 6 feet apart from you, the line which act the line which is drawn between you and that person will be green. Otherwise, it will change to red if that person is coming too close to you. With the help of this, you can actually judge whether proper social distancing is being followed in public places or not, and you can protect yourself from COVID. Thank you. App is actually tracking whoever has COVID right now and letting know other people who were around him when he was going out of his house. If those people were around his vicinity and was inside the isolation bubble which he had when he was going out of his house, then we will be alerting each and every one of those members that there is a chance you might also have COVID. So it's better to take more precautions and all. If a particular person gets COVID, he would be putting all of his detail inside the self report, which we have, which over here, if you can see. As soon as he put everything in the self report, every member, we would be taking the MAC address and also the name and phone number of each and every member who had Bluetooth on and had this app installed in their phone. As soon as we get to know that this person was close to the one uh, just uh, uh, who just came positive for COVID-19, we would be alerting each and every one of them so that they can take precaution and go to the nearest hospital